right, y'all, I'm super fired up for today's video. What we're going to be going into, we're going to teach you guys how to be recognizing market manipulation through using charts, through using major economic data, just like we did in the example you guys are about to watch. We made $800 on a single trade doing New York sessions. So make sure you guys are taking notes, taking pictures, do what you need to do to get the value that you have here. Because I'm telling you guys, if you guys use this information, watch how your entire trading game is about to change. All right. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah, so let's wait for the 70% retracement on this move. And I think from there we'll go, right? Obviously right now we are filling that 30-minute imbalance here. I'm looking for another dive lower. If we start to break this high, I mean, fuck, we might look at that as a big structure. But here's CJ with equal highs. Yeah, I think we should do what I'm expecting, take out these highs as well, and get USDCAD deeper in the retracement. I think USDCAD had one like that. Oh, USDCAD is pushing lower. Oh, just hit my entry zone. Oh, fuckery. I looked away for a fucking second. Oh yeah, I think we're still good. I'll probably start taking my entries now. So right here, we were seeing about 23, 24 pips. Again, I hope we come lower and I can take better entries. I feel like I'll call it out for the chat here with the 15 pips. So this is where I'll call it out for the chat. But otherwise, I'm just kind of accumulating positions. So what would my stop be? It'd be 1.3723. Oh yeah, it looks like we're gonna come here. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna call this out for the chat as well. It looks like we got a good reaction from this imbalance zone here, about the 78% retracement. We're already above the 70% retracement, so if you did take it there, you'd still be in profit. I didn't get this trade on a few accounts, so I'll look at my accounts now. Alright, so I'm in on all accounts. So our entry in reality is at around, let me see where my entries are at. In this account, I'm in at 4.4. Where's our this account? 4.3. And then about 4.3. But yeah, so yeah, like I was saying, right? First drive up, second drive up, this is our third drive up, and we want all of our retracements to have all of our basically higher lows to have signs of manipulation within them, right? And that's exactly the setup that we see here. All right, so looks good, good looks, right? So where's the sign of manipulation here? Well, obviously we swept not just these lows that were created right before, but these lows as well, with that push to the downside. What's our signs of manipulation here? Well, if we come lower, you can see right here, we're clearly targeting these stops. Boom, big push down, stop hunt there, before we then go ahead and create that new high, right? What's our signs of manipulation here? Well, we see a little trend line happening, and then we have a big push to the downside. And then we have that mitigation play as well, which is also manipulation within our range between this low and this high. Manipulation there, and push high. All right, man, good look so far. That's all I can say. We're up about 25 pips already. It's a quick one. How many of you guys are in there? You guys in there? Let me know in the chat if you guys are in there. Go ahead and send an alert over here. It's really going, eh? I mean, this is technically still a news event trade. It's obviously, like, it ended up being New York being the catalyst to really get that drive lower. Because for USDCAD, the news started over here. Like, sheesh, man, we are booming. Yeah, the news started here. We had that initial push down, but then we just ranged, right? So what are we doing? We're trying to get buyers to get into the market early, right? Luckily, we're patient out here. and then we end up sweeping those buyers out of the market, right? Having that deeper retracement, coming back into where the selling truly started. So the selling truly started right here, right? And now we're having that push to the upside. So I wouldn't even be surprised to see a retracement here at all to then continue higher, or maybe we'll just boom, right? Either one can really happen. But honestly, with our entry, I don't think it should come there. I don't think it should come to our entry. Sheesh. How much are we up now? So again, guys, the only reason I really, stopped myself from taking the trade was because of this fib. So make sure you're always using this fib to really help you guys out with your trading, because without this fib, I probably would have been in there over here. But then I saw, we hadn't even tapped into 618. We hadn't filled in balance. Like, there's a lot of things left to do. So it didn't make sense for me to take the trade that early, because I was literally watching this. So it's quite scary seeing it, like, shoot up and shit. I was like, fuck, maybe I missed it. But at the end of the day, who cares if you miss it? You want to wait for your right setup, right? So whatever setup is your setup, if you don't take something that isn't your setup, well, and even if it goes the right way, well, guess what? You followed your plan, and that's all you want to do. Right? That's this whole game. It's just following your plan. Oh, USDCAD coming past that high. So we're definitely getting into partial area now. If not, closing it. I'm up about 800, 830, 840, 850. Sheesh. So I think I closed everything. Okay. Damn, perfect close for now at least.